There has been an accident, and the airbags also have been deployed. Honda City. So that's why squids on the road. When we have squids on the road, this is what happens. Squid, oh shit. So there was a head-on collision. How did that happen? Squids on the road, and this is what happens. Head-on collision. So I think from the opposite direction Eartiga was coming, lost control and hit the Honda City. Okay, time to move. But I think the airbags have been deployed, so no issues over there. Why did they have to block this side of the road? Are they crazy or what? ఇట్టెళ్ళింది ఇది ఎట్లా పోతుంది ఎక్కేసిండా నిద్రలో అచ్చా అచ్చా కానీ ఇదెందుకు బ్లాక్ చేసినారు ఇది ఫోన్ అరే అదా సో ది ఎయిర్ బ్యాగ్స్ హ్యావ్ బీన్ డిప్లాయిడ్ నిద్రపోయినా నిద్రపోయినా squids this is what happened to squids on the road. So that's what happens if you are not taking enough rest before you start your journey. So as you can see, the Eartiga driver was sleeping. He was this side of the road. He fell asleep. He moved across the flyover, hit the Honda City which was coming at full speed. It was a side-on collision for both the vehicles. Luckily nothing happened to both the drivers. I believe both are in good condition, but the cars are totally damaged. As you can see, both the airbags have been deployed. Both the driver and the co-passenger airbags were deployed, so which is good. And both cars have a good safety rating, hence there was not much of damage. So again, a word of caution: if you are sleepy, better you take a nap or take a rest for half hour or 45 minutes and then start on with the journey. Don't risk your life and also others' life by trying out a stunt, and don't be a squid. So that's what the video is all about. Ending it on a serious note, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.